Arithmetic progressions exercise 5.1 question number 4 part 8. In this part a sequence of numbers is given and we have to check it is an AP or not. If it is an AP, then we have to find out 3 more terms of the given AP. So first of all we have to check it is an AP or not. For this we have to find out the value of D1 and D2. तो देखिएगा D1 की वैल्यू होगी A2 माइनस A1, A2 की वैल्यू होगी -1/2 माइनस -1/2. तो इसको ब्रैकेट में प्लेस करेंगे हम. When we open the bracket, then sign will be changed because both the values are same and sign are different, so they will be cancelled. And we have value of D1 is 0. Now we have to find out value of D2. अब D2 की वैल्यू निकालनी है. क्या आएगा आपका A3 minus A2, and we know that value of A3 is -1/2 and value of A2 is also -1/2 D2. Okay, -1/2. When we open the bracket, then sign will be changed. Both the numbers will be cancelled. D2 की वैल्यू आ गई आपकी 0. Here D1 equal to D2 equal to 0. Therefore given sequence is an AP. तो ये जो नंबर ऑफ लिस्ट है ये आपका AP है. देखेंगे यहाँ पर. Therefore given list of numbers is an AP. ये आपकी AP है. Because it is an AP, now we have to find out next 3 terms. 4 terms are given. It means we have to find out A5, A6 and A7. तो पहले A5 की वैल्यू निकालते हैं. To find out the value of A5, A4 plus D, and value of A4 is -1/2 and value of D is 0. तो ये A5 की वैल्यू हो गई हमारी -1/2. Now we have to find out value of A6. A6 की वैल्यू के लिए क्या करेंगे हम? A5 में D की वैल्यू को ऐड करते हैं. A5 की वैल्यू होगी -1/2 और D की वैल्यू है हमारे पास में 0. तो ये हो गया आपका A6 की वैल्यू भी -1/2 आ गई. अब हमें क्या करना है? Now we have to find out the value of A7, that is A6 plus D. Value of A6 is -1/2 and value of D is 0. Therefore A7 is -1/2. Therefore next 3 terms of AP are 1/2, 1/2 and 1/2. A5 की वैल्यू भी 1/2, A6 की वैल्यू 1/2, A7 की वैल्यू 1/2. -1/2, -1/2 and -1/2. It is our answer.